So you might be trying to figure out how you can get the gold posts on Instagram, aka the gold notes. Now, there's a couple of ways to do this. The first way is to understand that this is like a new feature. It's basically part of the Olympics. I think that's kind of what they're shooting for. So to basically go ahead and do this, what you're going to want to do is you want to go and make your way over to your Instagram application, just like this. You want to swipe to the side, and you want to get into your notes panel. Now, if you want to go and basically make a note, and that's gold, you'll have to use a specific keyword. So if you go ahead and make, put into your thing right here, you'll have to go and make a note. So you can, leave a note or whatever. What you're going to want to make the note is you want to make it one of these keywords. So if your note holds one of these keywords, your note will then go and turn gold. So if you put it as gold, goat, medal, Olympics, Olympian, podium, victory, flashlight emoji, goat emoji, gold medal emoji, and the medal emoji, you will basically see those options come up. So that is basically how you do it. You put in one of these keywords inside of your note right here, and that will go and make the note gold. Now, if it's not working like it's not working for me, you may have to try updating the application. But if you don't see it gold, other people around you may see it gold. So that's kind of what you're going to want to do. As you can see, there's a lot of people who are already doing it. If I go and make my way over to images, and if I go and find a gold note, you can see that there's a ton of people already doing this, which is actually very, very cool. So that's kind of essentially how it's done. It's a very, very basic process, but that is basically how you do it for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.